Well, a tragic milestone now. More than 100,000 people dead from drug overdoses in a single year. Health experts tying the record-breaking numbers to COVID-19. And according to new CDC data, overdose deaths jumped nearly 30% last year. NewsNation correspondent Tom Negovan is live with a closer look at those numbers for us, Tom, and the key trial tied to the opioid crisis.
That's exactly right, Nicole. Staggering numbers, though, a 30% increase year over year, as you said. The first time drug overdose deaths in the U.S. have hit six figures in any 12-month period. But of course, this was not just any 12-month period, a pandemic combined with what experts call a disease of isolation.
11 days ago in Odessa, Texas, Elisa Hancock was at work. She hadn't heard from her son.
And we walked in his room, and instantly you knew.
15-year-old Connor had died from an opiate overdose. Odessa police issued an alert telling NewsNation 3 other teens OD'd that same weekend. It's sweeping the country. In Las Vegas, 25-year-old Christiana Kerner was killed by a pill laced with the powerful synthetic fentanyl.
My daughter made a bad decision. My daughter's not what she died of.
That was in 2017. Today, there are more overdose deaths from fentanyl alone than there were then from all drugs combined. In all, more than 100,000 overdose deaths between April 2020 and April 2021. 275 a day.
The New Orleans area saw the largest increase in opioid overdoses and deaths in the entire country during the pandemic. We have a severe issue in our community and a lack of resources.
Teresa Garate works for the largest nonprofit in the nation for treating substance abuse.
It's not a surprise, but it's very shocking that it went up that much.
She says there's no question the pandemic played a huge role here, but there's something more.
How much of a factor is the stigma around addiction?
I'm so glad you asked me that question, Tom. I think that is the most important message that whenever I speak to reporters, anybody, is the only way to end the stigma is to talk about it, to understand that addiction is a disease of the brain, that it's not a moral failing, and that it is a chronic disease. And your loved ones are going to die if you have shame in talking about it.
Thousands of lawsuits have been filed over this, Nicole. In fact, 2 counties in Ohio are suing retail giants like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS over this. In fact, that case is in court in Cleveland right now.
Yeah, so many families impacted by this crisis. Tom, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.